Let me tell you about the Ratchet girl. I'm not finna sing. I'm just gonna let you know. See, I'm young, but I know what I'm talking about. I'm from, my name's nice, Steele. I'm from Montgomery, Alabama. But I'm from the Smile Ratchet girl. I know it made us talking about the Ratchet girl, so I'm finna show you about the Ratchet girl talk. See, Ratchet girls, they always gotta show off, show their butt everywhere they go, display their weave, and like, need to come out. Yes, Ratchet, they is Ratchet. See, one day, like my last week, so I was at McDonald's, right? And then this girl, she ordered double cheeseburger. The folks clicked it, brought it to the, brought it to the counter, right? Couldn't pay for it, no. Wait. I said, man, I want a Big Mac. I was like, what? You just ordered a double cheeseburger. So I left. With the Burger King, same thing. It is lady, she had a little baby, you know, the little Burger King slide baby got. Not Burger King got a new slide baby, Alright. But she just put her baby in the little slide thing. Baby got stuck. Baby was chunky. Petite. No, I'm like fat. Baby was fat. And then she got stuck. She wouldn't go ahead the baby because she started to a man. Man ain't Tyrone. What Tyrone care too? What Tyrone gotta do with it? Tyrone gotta do it. Tyrone could hit the baby. Fib? Fib now. But still. Anyways. And then they want to go to the hair store, so they got the weed in for about $40, $50. This is not weed. I got my hair's all natural. I don't. Sometimes I get weed. I ain't gonna lie. I get weed sometimes. No, yeah, I do. Still, that all the time I get weed. And I don't care. But still, that's just ratchet. All the time. But I gotta keep my hair done. Let me put my rip on. Y'all hold on for a bit. What seemed to be the most powerful couple throughout this whole show has instantly been defeated, and they look like a complete mess. Alright. But still, y'all didn't feel me, right? So, I just want to say how these girls live like that. Don't understand. Just don't understand. So if I see a rich girl, she would come. If I was that, they in McDonald's serving order, we would be fighting. So I would hit, we would be fighting. Calm down now. Hey, y'all, I had a good time, y'all. Peace, y'all. You're supposed to look at me.